Amanda, and we're going to demonstrate the typical adjustment at the Saturday morning clinic. We already did an exam and the proper x-rays, and we're going to have you go face down.
Perfect.
So what we're feeling for is joint motion of the whole spine. So we're going to motion palpate each joint in the whole neck, and we're feeling for mobility. How's that feel right there? Does that hurt?
Feels good when you rub on it.
Okay. We do every joint in the spine. This is part of our exam you get with each treatment. We address the full spine. And motion palpate out the hips, legs. Now we're going to go back through and we're going to do the gentle adjustment just on the joints that are not moving properly. First we're going to start in the upper thoracics. Alright, deep breath in and out. Good. Alright, deep breath in and out. And then we're going to adjust your hip now, so let's have you on your side facing me. Scoot your bottom hip towards me. Good one. On your back. Does that feel good?
Mm-hmm. Feels so good.
Alright, we're going to traction your legs.
Mm.
Is that okay?
Mm-hmm. I'm taller.
Good. And now we're going to check your neck. Take a breath in and out, and then gently bite down.
Even taller.
Even taller. Let's check your wrists. Good. We'll also do the other one. Okay. And we'll help you out. We'll have you stand up and walk around a little bit and see how you feel.
A little taller, a little lighter.
Nice.
Perfect.
Alright, good job.
Thanks so much.
Yep.
You're the best.
Yeah, you have a nice day, okay?
You too.